You bought Tesla, which is interesting to me. I think would be interesting to our viewers as well. And it's also worth noting that the ARK stocks have made a comeback of their own, by the way. Over 1 month, Tesla's up 11%. You can go Teladoc or Roku or Zoom. Zoom's up 21% over the last month. Square, the same amount. Shopify, 24. Palantir, 25. You get the idea. Fastly, 29. There's some really sizable gains in these stocks, Joe. But why Tesla?
Well, a couple of weeks ago, I began to look at these emerging growth stocks, and I purchased CrowdStrike. Now I look at where we are, and I understand that trades are very difficult to come by right now. We're clearly seeing a market that is consolidating, and you're certainly seeing volatility begin to diminish. So there is this narrative, which I agree with, towards mega cap technology, but I'm already there. I own Alphabet. I own Amazon, I own Apple. I haven't stepped in and bought Amazon. What I do think investors will be doing now, and why I am going with this, to borrow Liz's word, momentum trade, this has nothing to do with fundamentals, is you will see a mean reversion performance chase towards both Netflix and Tesla. A series of higher lows over the last 3 months in Tesla, and I'm going to go with this trade because in this environment where we've got the stabilization of rates, I'm trying to capture an opportunity in mega cap technology where there's been an underperformance.
Welcome back, everyone. My name is Bryan Roschetzky. Let's talk about Tesla stock today. It looks like Tesla stock started today around 746.34 and actually ended the day 754.65 cents. A sharp increase for what is normally known as Bloody Wednesdays. Actually turned into a positive for Tesla today, this Wednesday. So going forward with the rest of the week, it's hard to say what's going to happen with Thursday and Friday. You never know what's going to happen in the stock market day to day. But we do have a bunch of catalysts coming in. Now, we continue to talk about the same thing. GigaTexas finally opening up. Giga Berlin finally opening up. It's going to happen. It's not going to be right away. We will have to wait. Maybe another month or two. Maybe by these holidays. We should see something going on here. When we finally see those 4680 battery cells coming out of GigaTexas, that's going to be the huge increase we're waiting for. But I believe in maybe even a shorter term, in closer terms, I think we could see something going on with full self-driving. Elon Musk hinted back that we might see that public button coming in about a month. And I want to say that was a few weeks back. So even that could be at any moment in time. I think when we see the clarity coming through that full self-driving is on a continuous path, increasing or lowering the errors and increasing that the probability of being perfect, we will see that, I think, hit the stock market as well. When the public button goes live and we start to see thousands of people all across America, and I believe I even heard Canada is now offering the full self-driving beta as well. So we will see this continuously roll out, and I think that's going to be a really big push for Tesla stock as well. Also, in other news, we have SpaceX just made history. Go SpaceX, go Elon Musk. We have SpaceX launches first all-tourist crew into orbit. And SpaceX had a successful launch. Another amazing thing I loved was that this was actually the 89th recovery of a orbital class rocket ship. I thought this was amazing. And it's just another milestone for SpaceX, showing that they can totally recover 89 more rockets than anyone else since the space shuttle missions. And I also wanted to note, on this SpaceX launch, we also have some more history record-breaking stuff going on. We have Haley Arkwanu. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that right. But Haley, it just became the youngest American to ever visit space. she's also the first person with a prosthetic to ever visit space, as well as the first cancer survivor in space. So this is groundbreaking, historic moments for SpaceX, and it's amazing to see stuff like this take place because Haley and the rest of the SpaceX crew are definitely making history, and it's amazing to see 4 civilians up in space for the first time, making their way, orbiting the Earth for 3 days, and coming back and landing back down perfectly with another reusable rocket. So again, congratulations to the crew for a successful launch. Hope they have a great, safe trip in space and a safe, successful landing. I can't wait to see what happens next with that. In other news dealing with the stock market and some amazing stock investments that I think you might be interested in as well. Elon Musk said it that VTOLs are going to be amazing, but Tesla might never get into it. Now, VTOLs, also vertical takeoff and landing. As a drone pilot, this would be something that I would be much interested in, right? I know, and I have used drones for so long that I am very, very confident in the safety and the performance out of UAVs, or also known as quadcopters or octocopters or drones or UAS, unmanned aircraft, all that good stuff. But what I want to talk about is Ehang. Ehang is a VTOL, or a vertical takeoff and landing drone taxi service. It's an autonomous drone taxi service out of China. They have some record-breaking news. I've been investing with Ehang for a while now, and right now, news broke that Ehang partners with Heli Eastern for urban air mobility operations in integrated airspace in Shenzen. What this means is that this is the first time in history that a drone taxi service has been allowed operations and integrated into the airspace. This is huge. If China starts to release drone taxi services into their airspace, it won't be long until the FAA allows drones here in ours. Now, we know Amazon, UPS, and FedEx have been pushing to get drones in our airspace, and they are slowly moving this out. But it looks like Ehang is first to get in that space. They're first movers in this space. I've been investing with them. I'll have to double check. I'll have to make another update on this at the moment so I can get in there. But I want to say I think I have about 20 shares right now of Ehang. And I sold a bunch during that recent historic run that we had, and been buying back in ever since. But it says Ehang partners with Heli Eastern. Let's see. We got some pictures right here. So they're celebrating. And yeah, this is just going to be an amazing time. I guess we'll have to, I'll see if we get any more news on Ehang. Definitely something to look into and see if this is something you might want to invest in as well. And again, I'm not a stock advisor. Don't sue me, bro. Just take this with a grain of salt. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. But look, what I think is that there is a tremendous opportunity in the skies for drone taxi services, whether it's delivering packages or delivering human beings. This just seems like the winner when it comes to services. The operational cost will be extremely low, and the ease of getting to point A to point B is going in an urban environment has never been cheaper, will never be cheaper than with a company like Ehang. So very interested with that as well. So we'll have to check back and we'll see how that goes. All right, thanks again for watching. I'm going to go and wrap this up there so I can get on to making some more videos and researching what I'll be doing next week. So again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you'd like to let me know what you think about Ehang, Are you investing in Ehang? Are you investing in any other of these new innovative companies that are coming along, kind of off branching from that electrification revolution? Let me know. ARK Invest, any of the ARK funds, Arcimoto, Ehang is probably one of the ones that I feel is most out there that not very many people are talking about, but has tremendous benefits on the upside. So I'd love to see how many people out there might be interested in a company like Ehang as well. So yeah, let me know. And as well, Tesla. We have a lot more Tesla stock coming up tomorrow. I think tomorrow we might finally see a little pullback. If we see another run up with Tesla stock tomorrow, I'm going to be just all smiles, because if it continues to run up throughout the next week, we will definitely have to see a pullback. When you look at the 3-month chart, there's definitely a pullback coming, but I feel it's going to be short, small, and then rebound real quick like it always does. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, comment, share, all that great stuff, because I would love to keep this coming. And the more likes we get, the more and more and more I'll do it. So thanks again for watching. Y'all guys have a great day. Peace out.
Next, I got Tesla for you. Early in the trading session, the first 45 minutes, stock was trading right around 680 all the way up towards 700. We had the 720 calls that expire on Friday being bought. They bought a big number, 13,500 of these. They started off at $2.50, paid all the way up over $5 for these calls. I'm in these calls as well. I only got this week. Everything we're seeing, as I said earlier, very, very short term. This is a great example of that.